Was there a mention of China given the recent
Well,
incident?
interesting time is basically with what's happening in the global arena, everything that's happening right now. It's interesting times in the sense that there's so much of these things that are happening, and hopefully the partnerships that we've had, not only with the United States but other countries as well, will be a source of comfort for us, that we have a lot of allies and friends and partners all over the world.
Yung China nabanggit.
Well, China,
West
of course,
Philippine Sea.
it's always been a situation that is always part of the conversation, in the sense that the hope is that countries will have a way to be able to persuade China to be able to respect the rule of law and international law of the seas and so forth and so on. So that's essentially what the messages are coming out of many of these partnerships.
So na-mention yun nung meeting, Ambassador?
It was not really mentioned it was just in passing, basically.
How about the union?